Hi guys, Dennis here from Denny Bob's RC. Hey, I have ran my little John Deere 200 DLC, I think is what it's called. It's one of the custom builds that I built, and I'm running my built Mack dump truck today. I'm just going to do a little video and demonstrate the operation. I'm actually, this will be my third dump truck load, so we'll see how it goes. There's no sound kit in this thing or nothing. It's just a plain simple hydraulic conversion build that I did. Oh, it's a dirt pile I pushed up here with my dozers earlier, and it's loose dirt from the top. I don't like to overly work my RC stuff. A lot of guys are, well, can it dig right and stand in dirt? I'm like, no. Why would I want it to? It's not intended to do that. The arrogance of some people sometimes. No, it's not going to go digging in. Well, it might go in the dirt that I've ran over top of multiple times. It might, but standing side, no, it's not going to do it. I don't expect any of my RC equipment to do that. For one thing, you can't make them weigh enough to make that and make the hydraulics that good. You know what? If you want to go out and play in the sod, go buy yourself a mini excavator and get paid by the hour. That's what I say. But the next thing I'm doing is I'm using the topsoil because it's dry, so that I can get it to run through my trommel is another reason I do it. Wet dirt and mud does not go good through a trommel, so gotta have dry material. So I kind of straightened this up with my dozers this morning and made myself a pile, and we've had rain non-stop, it seems like, for weeks, so every time I wanted to get out here, this is the first 2 days of no rain that I've had, and sounds like we got chances of rain tonight. But I'm pretty happy with how this thing handles. It's pretty smooth. Well, I definitely don't expect this little machine to go back into standing sod, that's for sure. This thing only weighs probably, maybe at most, 15 pounds. It's also in a 16 scale, but I'll tell you what, it's got way more power than a Cabalite 336, I'll tell you that. gonna call that good. We'll see if we can sneak one more back at the tailgate here. Not a very big bucket on this one. There. She's over full. We're way over the DOT load there. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's performing. It's not like my big Faro Libeer 954 or my 345 DL Cat, but you know, it is what it is, and I'm having fun. That's what it's all about. Catch you guys later.